one thing that, I really started paying attention to is how can we make it easy for people to do business with us? I think if organizations really start thinking about it, sometimes we make things, as humans, we make things way too complex sometimes. And it's about really breaking those things down and making them simple. The other thing, just going back to Costco and how he spent a lot of time in the stores, is it is important for leadership to get out of their office, out of their boardroom, and see operations to really, and this goes back to the compassion piece, what followers are looking for. They want to know that you understand what's involved with their job. And they say everything breaks in the middle, right? And when you think about that, that's middle management. Middle management is dealing with pressures from the top as well as pressures from the bottom. They're trying to get your frontline employees to do things, but they're also trying to appease, upper management. And so they talk about things breaking in the middle, and your middle managers are trying to manage both ends of it. And if they don't have the understanding from that top level of what's involved in their role, then you're doing a disservice to them and to your organization as a whole. So it's really about making sure people understand what's involved in the process. And just because something worked in the past doesn't mean that it's the best process or system moving forward. So I think it's that constant evaluation of what we're doing, how we're doing it, because things are just evolving quicker than ever before and will continue that way.